All right, Jenny, we are live. We are in room 7132, Deluxe
Welcome
Family
to the Deluxe Veranda.
Oceanview Veranda. Bum, bum, bum. So classic Disney. It is always, we love the rooms. And we have Aladdin in our room, which is the theme of the boat. So we're kind of happy with that. And we also want to show you, it's so cool. So you have, of course, the genie over here. We have Abu, and we also have Aladdin and Jasmine on a magic carpet. So one thing, right, Jen, is the fact that the beds on a Disney ship are some of the best bedding at sea.
Yeah, they're really comfortable. The sheets are nice.
It's a true king. They are not two singles pushed together. It is actually a true king. And what I really love is that their comforters and are thick.
Yeah.
And it's not like really
duvet.
thin, right? The duvet cover is very thick. And of course we have this nice couch which pulls out. You could sleep a couple people on that. And then we actually have over here, which of course we're not using, but this bed pulls out right here. We have storage space here, and we have this really cool balcony. We are on the center bump, which I'm not gonna go out there. It's an extended balcony. The reason I'm not going out there is it's gonna fog up if we do. But there's the lamp. Ba-na-na. Tons of storage space.
Really a lot of storage space. And then you have the cooler. It's,
Yes, which is
for
very
wine cooler,
cool.
drinks and
So
stuff like that.
we
It's
put
not really a
our wine
refrigerator.
in there, our refrigerated wine, and I put, of course, a bunch of Red Bulls in there. But tons of storage space. And it's not very often that you can say the lighting in here, it's very modern, it's very elegant feeling. I just really like it. And there's just tons of space, like to put stuff on the shelves. So this is crazy for us. Normally, we like our room where you can't see
I
anything.
didn't see what was in here.
But, you can write letters home.
You can write
Dun,
letters.
dun, dun.
The little vanity, you have a seat there. Has, of course, a hair dryer, but it also has a pad for your hot tools if you use curling irons.
Hot tools. Tons of outlets. I mean, there's outlet USB-C, couple USB, a European outlet. On this side, we have a couple regular American outlets, a USB-C. We also have USB and USB-C on the other side with a European outlet. Nothing crazy. The only thing that's weird for a Disney ship is the televisions are very small, which might not seem like a big deal, but when you have littles and they want to watch movies and stuff, the bigger television, it's kind of in here. So they have like this whole drape thing that you can pull
Does this
across. Turn? Yeah, you can kind of pull that out from the wall.
No.
But
Doesn't seem like it.
yeah, I believe you can. I can see the bracket, so at least I'm thinking. And then you also have, which is standard Disney fare, is the split bathrooms. So what's really nice is every room comes with a tub and comes with plenty of room on this side. And the shower, which has, of course, your shampoo, conditioner, and all that fun stuff. And somebody left that on our door last night outside, and we brought it in. So, and then here on this side is the commode. And it's very small in here, but you're just basically, this is my side. I have my deodorant, some Superman sauce, which is Abercrombie Fierce. And yeah, so it's cool. And it's nice and cool in here at night.
We've got all this storage up here.
Yeah, with tons of storage space. This is right.
So you have the
Tons of
safe,
storage space.
some drawers. This is where your life preservers are as well.
Some more of the hats we've been handing out all week.
Yes.
It's crazy how many people we've given Ears and Anchors hats to, and hopefully soon we will be selling them on the channel.
It's fun
so
how
like
many
and
people are
subscribe.
asking for them.
Yes, a truckload of people.
It's
And of
fun.
course, more storage space here with double closets. Room up there. It's just a lot of room. Like when we first got here, I was like, well, this might be a little bit tighter. And then I was like, oh, nope, plenty of room. So
What is
overall,
this ladder for?
the ladder is for the bunk
the
bed.
up there.
Yes, this comes down, guys. Oh, I forgot to tell you about
Yeah.
that. So this bed also comes down. This bed also comes out. This one comes down. So we could sleep approximately 32 people in this room. All right. And then, of course, under the bed, you have tons of storage. That's where you put all your suitcases and anything else that you have picked up along the way. Yeah. So All right. That's our
Some more
stateroom. If we
little
think of more
swag up there.
things, we will
These
talk
are
about it.
additional things that people gave us.
Yeah. Oh, yes. So Paul, who found me and said, "Oh my goodness, can I get a hat?" And I was like, "Sure can." And he gave us that little
Then we had
Muppet.
some of these things on the door.
Yep.
That
People bringing us
love.
candy. That's the one thing about a Disney cruise is the people on a Disney cruise are truly magical. Everybody on a ship, right? On this ship, they're handing out gifts, they're trading things. People are doing fish extenders. Jen found a duck this morning and left it there. She just wanted,
duck.
as a football duck in the Marceline Market. Been a lot of fun. Oh, also, which is kind of cool, the bartender last night gave Jen a black rose from the Haunted Mansion.
Red, blue, and black, and
Yeah.
it's a fresh rose.
Yeah,
But they
it's real.
painted them for
Yeah.
the Haunted Mansion.
It's beautiful. So, all right, let's hit the town.
Hit the town.
Woohoo!
All right, let's go.